Can a new LLC get a loan? Yes, a new LLC can get a loan, but it can be more challenging since the business doesn't yet have an established credit history. Lenders often look at the owner's personal credit, income, and assets when deciding whether to approve funding for a new LLC. This means your personal financial standing may play a big role early on. In many cases, new LLCs start with smaller financing options like business credit cards, personal loans, or SBA microloans. Some banks may also approve a traditional loan if you provide a strong business plan, collateral, or a personal guarantee. Over time, as your LLC builds revenue and establishes credit, it becomes easier to qualify for larger loans in the business's name alone. Keeping clean financial records and separating business from personal accounts helps you build this credibility faster. Zen Business can help you set up your LLC and guide you toward building business credit. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.